Hey y'all, this is me, Vintage Siren Fan Collector, back with the ceiling fan video. And today I have a very strange, ornate Victorian knockoff, which, as you guys can see, this is actually a Minka Aire. I did not know that Minka Aire even made these types of fans, but I believe this is called an Old Town Country or something like that. Forgot the actual name, but it's also missing a piece above, which I do have. I just forgot to put that on when I was putting this fan up. But I got this fan from Restore, and what I find really interesting is on top of the motor housing, it looks like a K55 could go on there. So if anybody's selling a spare K55 from like a Delta or something, let me know, because I could do a motor swap. And I'll let you guys know how that goes if that's well received. But without further ado, here's low. I also forgot to mention that these blades were really out of whack when I first got the fan, and the reverse switch only worked in updraft, so I had to take some sandpaper and clean the contacts, and I get it working now on both directions. Now let's go to medium. I am also looking for a light kit for this one, so I think that'd be pretty cool. Now let's go to high speed. Hardly any wobbling now. Guess that's the good part of being able to straighten the blades out. Alright, be time to do somewhat spin down. Alright guys, I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys from the next one.